Hi guys, today I'm going to be unboxing. Never mind. Today I'm making a video with my friends.
Gurman, Sehes, and
Me.
Siddhant, of course.
And in the channel, my name is Avi. So it's your line.
So please like and do not subscribe. Please do not subscribe. And so with my friends, we are going to unbox these Pokemon cards.
Good man line.
And
It's good man line. That's why. These are golden Pokemon cards. Now me and my friends are going to open it up now.
okay, so as you can see in my hand, these Pokemon cards are
That's
there.
not your hand.
And wait, guys, after a commercial break, guys, this is not my hand, but it's like a commentary line. Okay. So
Restart.
okay,
I say the box is in Siddhant's hand. Okay, say that.
Okay, box is in Siddhant's hand right now, as you can see in the camera, and he's unboxing it. So you can see a pack of couple of cards, as show it, Siddhant, and this and you can see this.
If you guys are wondering why we have a light, because if we don't have a light, it'll just be too shiny and you can't actually see the card. So
Yeah, and so
it's too shiny.
so these are the cards. Let's
the
turn it on. Okay, and
The first card.
yeah, so let me show you the first.
Okay.
Let show you. Let first Abhi show you the first card.
Okay, so the first card is Meowth VMAX
Golden.
Golden. 200 damage.
And
300 health.
At the end of the video, we are going to show you the rarest cards here in this box. Guys, if you want to buy more rare cards than this, we are going to give you the link in comment down in the description. You can see it in the video. Okay.
In the description.
Okay.
So Charmander plus Charmeleon plus Charizard GX, 450 health, 500 damage,
Is it?
and 500 damage. Yeah, just 500.
Yeah, and it's an evolution card.
Oh wait,
Charizard women.
no, it's not Charizard. It's Dracaufeu VMAX Golden. It does like same as Charizard VMAX. Charizard V. Okay, so guys, this is an
level
absolutely
92?
insane card. It's a level 92, does 545,000 damage, and it's a golden. It's a level 92 which does 545,000 damage, and it is a golden, a very good one. So now that's card. What is this? Umbreon, I don't like it. What is this? Mewtwo and Mew GX. Bro, Pikachu Mega Lucario. 625 health, 400 health, tag team, something card, I don't know. It's not a Charizard, by the way. Charizard EX Golden. Charizard EX Mega Golden. Okay, so Mewtwo GX. Gurman, you want to say anything
About these cards?
These are very good cards that you can get from Flipkart.
No, Amazon.
And Flipkart, I got these from Flipkart.
And you can get it from Flipkart or Amazon. We are going to give the link in the description. You can buy these cards
On Amazon.
On
We're going to
Amazon.
give the Amazon link because we're idiots and we don't know how to use the Flipkart link.
Okay, I'll put it. Okay, so yeah, continue.
Okay, this is Centicorch VMAX 320 HP 40.
Show the card.
Shut up! Bro.
1 minute after a commercial break.
Sorry about that. Sorry.
You have to show them the cards, bro. Show them the cards too.
Don't do the commercial break!
Yeah, I turned on the commercial break. Okay, after commercial break, guys.
Pikachu Mega Sableye. I don't know how to
Yeah, you
pronounce.
can see this as in the camera.
I think it's a bit blurry because he wiped his hand on it.
Yeah.
Now fixed.
never mind.
These are some some Pikachus. I don't like them, so they're pretty bad. Grimmsnarl VMAX Golden. Pretty good. I like this card. Larpus VMAX Golden. I really wanted Larpus for a while.
But I have a lot.
It's on his box. We all got our boxes, and here's his box. It has Larpus VMAX.
That's my box. Please give it back to me.
We'll show them the thing first. There's Larpus VMAX. I think that's VMAX Larpus. Oops, wrong card.
That's the Lapras GX.
Yeah, that's GX.
And
now take your card away. Oh my god, it got unplugged. The light. Yeah. Oh my god.
Guys, we are 1 minute. We are plugging in the thing.
Okay, this card. Damantra VMAX. Okay. This is my flip. This is from flipbook making kit I used in a previous video, which I uploaded 5 hours ago. Charizard VMAX. And at the end of this video, we'll show all of our boxes to you.
You already showed mine.
Charizard V Golden and yeah. Commercial break for a sec.
Turn off the camera.
Bro, get her. Can you please go away? Okay, and commercial break.
And the commercial break. Commercial break has been ended.
Pikachu V Golden 200 damage. Abhika, you wanna?
Guys, also we are going to put
Pikachu and Zekrom Golden Rainbow.
Guys, also we are going to put better cards, and we have we are going to also show the part 2 of this video.
And
so
they won't be a part 2.
And
We're
next
just gonna
card I want to tell you what is it going to be. You will get more cards at your birthday, so we are going to put a part 2.
That'll be like a year later.
So it should be yeah. Okay. So guys, we are also going to
no, there won't be a part 2. There will be a brand new video for more golden Pokemon cards.
Yes. Yeah.
And what is that? What is that?
I turned it on.
What is this?
I don't know.
It's from my watch. Just keep it back here.
I'm going to tell the next card, please.
Okay.
Next is Pikachu VMAX Golden. That everyone likes.
Yeah, it does 120 plus damage.
And this is
more Pico.
More Pico V. Did you already do your rainbow?
No, we didn't do the rainbow.
Okay.
Zamazenta
V.
Okay, thank you.
Golden.
Avika can stay here for a few minutes. Charizard VMAX level 95. Pretty good card, but it's not as good as the Charizard V I showed you before, even though it's higher level, but I don't know how.
And next is Charmander.
You're going to speak the cards, okay?
Next is Charmander.
Next is Charmander GX, Bulbasaur, and Squirtle. I don't know how to pronounce Bulbasaur.
And
Mew Golden, and as you can see in the and bro, keep it here. Bro, I'm gonna do this part. You go away. Okay, move that way. You're distracting.
Show the card properly.
Well, Charizard GX. Stop! Charizard GX stage 2. Over 100,000 rupee card, which is in our country. Shining Charizard. No, I can't see it shining because it's like literally black.
This is Mewtwo EX Golden.
Mewtwo EX.
That's
EX. So it's EX.
EX.
Next, Pikachu normal
VMAX
Golden. Wait,
no,
show
it at this point, like this.
Stop it. Pikachu normal. Pikachu normal Golden again. Pikachu V Golden.
You'll be the chopper of this.
Bro. Charizard VMAX Golden. Bro, I'm gonna fall. Charizard GX Golden Rainbow. I'm pretty sure I don't remember seeing this.
And we're going to tell you the last Pokemon card is going to be
my favorite. Charizard VMAX, normal golden. Zacian V.
And guys, here's our new friend Gurman. Say hi.
Hello. Okay, now point it downwards. Why are you pointing towards us?
Okay.
Okay, Zacian V golden. One of my friends was showing this and said it's super rare, and I have like the golden version of it.
Okay, Gurman, can you
Stop it, Pikachu.
Normal
V.
Pikachu.
I mean normal Pikachu
Golden. This is normal Pikachu something.
Pikachu golden.
Short hair.
Pikachu golden.
It should be good. It should
Charizard
be
GX.
Wait, short like this. Short like this.
Charizard GX Golden.
And the last card, my favorite card.
Pikachu VMAX Golden.
Why is it not the last card? Pikachu
VMAX Golden Rainbow.
Jinx.
Next is this.
This is my most famous card. Here.
Why is this on the bottom? This is not supposed to be on the bottom.
Okay.
That is the stupidest
So
card
guys, we have showcased all our cards and the best cards. So bye guys.
And no wait.
And
No
now
wait.
we're going to show our
Dummies. Idiot. What are you doing?
We have to show things. Okay.
So this is Goldman's tin.
Wait a minute.
I know it's recording. This is Bro, stop!
Okay.
Idiot! Bro, this is Goldman's tin, Sun and Moon, GX something.
Can stop.
And I put two more. And I put two more tins. And you know I put two more tins inside the box.
There are a few tins. I will show those tins. Let's show those tins inside here.
Let's see. So this one.
One
Plus dragons.
and this is one of his
Sun
other
and Moon.
tins.
And one office is Sun and Moon.
And in this packet I put the color. These are my all four golden.
Now let's keep this. Actually, let's keep it here. Let's turn this off so you can actually see it shining. Okay, now we'll get. Stop. Why did you turn it off? Astral Radiance. Sehes.
But then he has no Pokemon cards, and we're going to tell he has 2 goldens and 3 silvers.
Okay. You guys might have seen my box already if you remember.
And he has evolving skies.
Wait. I need to show them properly. Okay, so first I need to keep my goldens in there to show all of my cards.
He has 2 evolving skies, and can you see there's always always an astral radius there. Like, look, the astral radiuses are almost same. See, guys. See the astral radius. These are both astral radiuses.
Astral Radiance.
Astral radius.
As you can see here, Pikachu sad and Pikachu happy.
Astral Radiance. Pikachu sad because he got kidnapped by that monster thingy. Okay, so now I'll show you my full box. These are the cards that Gorman gave me and some random cards. These are my duplicate cards. I kept my Charizard VMAX there because I didn't know where to keep it. Evolving Skies, and cards.
And the card we showcased is golden right here.
Right here.
So bye
These are
guys.
my unduplicates and
Okay.
wait. Wait, what? What was I thinking again? Wait, one sec. What was I thinking? Okay, so I actually didn't make a video on this flip book, but I just want to show it here. I'll show it. So if you flip it from here, Laurel, flip it from here, Yanni, flip it from here, both. I got this idea from animation. Okay, bye guys, thanks for watching, see you next time, bye.